In this tutorial, I'll show you how to duplicate design styles of any images by using ChatGPT. This image is from my previous tutorial, and we'll be copying the style of this image. Please attach any images and copy, and paste the prompt that can be found in the description. Let's create a new image by using a new prompt. The quality of work ChatGPT can provide is incomparable to what we can generate with Stable Diffusion. Let's add some more details. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.